Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to create a JavaScript promise. A promise in JavaScript is exactly what it sounds like. You use it to make a promise to do something, usually asynchronously, which means that it doesn't happen in the exact order. When the task completes, you either fulfill your promise or fail to do so. Promise is a constructor function, so you need to use the new keyword to create one. It takes a function as its argument with two parameters, resolve and reject. Resolve and reject. These are methods used to determine the outcome of the promise. The syntax looks like this. We have a constant variable called myPromise, which is equal to a new instance of a promise, which is resolve and reject. So we want to create a new promise, so const called make server request. And we want to pass in the function with resolve and reject. Make server request, a new promise, and we want to pass in resolve or reject. There we go. I'm going to move this over so that we can see it all on one line. So now what we've done is make server request. We've created a new promise that passes in the parameters resolve and reject. And then we are doing nothing inside of there at this point. If we run the test, we see they pass. So this is the essential thing. We're making a new instance of this promise. Promise is a built-in JavaScript thing from my understanding of it. And so what we'll be able to do is once resolve becomes true, or we can do that or operate with reject. I think that we're going to do more in future lessons, so I'm going to stop talking about that now. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.